Tired of streaky tans and products that just don't deliver? Today, I've got you covered with the 5 best self-tanners on Amazon that can transform your glow game. From natural finishes to long-lasting formulas, I'll break down what makes each one stand out. And of course, I'll be honest about the pros and cons. Let's jump right in and find your perfect sun-kissed look. Number 1. Overall best pick, Saint-Tropez Classic Bronzing Self-Tan Mousse. Saint-Tropez Classic Bronzing Self-Tan Mousse is one of the most reliable self-tanners if you want a natural, golden finish without looking orange. The mousse applies smoothly, blends easily, and dries fairly quickly, which makes the whole process less messy. One of the biggest pros is how evenly it develops. Most people get a streak-free result even on the first try. The scent is also lighter compared to many other self-tanners. The only downside is that you must use a tanning mitt. Without it, the product can stain your hands. Overall, it's a great pick for anyone wanting a believable tan with minimal hassle. Number 2. My second best pick, Coco & Eve Self-Tanner Mousse Kit in Sunny Honey Bali. The Coco & Eve Self-Tanner Mousse Kit in Sunny Honey Bali gives a gorgeous warm bronze tint that looks natural and sun-kissed rather than fake or overly orange. One big pro is how rich the mousse feels. It's lightweight but hydrating, so it doesn't dry you out. The included bronzer helps you see where you're applying it, making streak-free coverage way easier. I also liked the mitt. It's soft yet durable and spares your hands from staining. On the downside, the color takes a little longer to develop fully compared to other tanners, so you have to wait more before rinsing. All in all, though, this kit is perfect if you want a luxe, natural glow with minimal fuss. Number 3. My third best pick, Self-Tanner with Tanning Mitt. The Self-Tanner with Tanning Mitt, USA-made organic formula, is a clean and gentle sunless tanning lotion that gives a very natural bronze without the usual orange undertones. One great pro is the organic ingredient list. Things like glycerin and botanical extracts help hydrate your skin as you tan. The mitt makes application super easy too, helping you avoid messy hands and streaks. Another plus, it's made in the USA, so you know you're getting a thoughtfully manufactured product. On the downside, the color is quite gradual, so if you're looking for a deep, dramatic tan, you may need to reapply a few times. Number 4. My fourth best pick, Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner. Beauty by Earth Self-Tanner is a standout if you're after a moisturizing, natural-looking tan without harsh chemicals. The formula uses organic and botanical ingredients like aloe vera coconut, which keep skin feeling soft and hydrated throughout the development process. The resulting bronze hue looks real, deep, but not fake or overly orange. I love that it's made in the USA and doesn't have a strong chemical smell, making the application more pleasant. The only drawback is it takes a bit longer to develop fully than some quick tans, so you need to be patient for that richer shade. Number 5. Last but not least, my fifth best pick, Loving Tan Deluxe Self-Tanning Bronzing Mousse. Loving Tan Deluxe Self-Tanning Bronzing Mousse Ultra Dark delivers a gorgeous deep bronze that actually looks natural, no weird orange undertones. One major pro is the color guide tint. It helps you apply smoothly and evenly so you avoid patchy spots or streaks. The mousse dries pretty fast and gives you up to 5 full-body applications per bottle, which feels like excellent value. Another plus is how well it develops into a rich tan that lasts and fades gracefully if you moisturize. On the downside, if you're new to self-tanning, the strong color guide can stain your hands easily if you don't use a mitt, and it takes several hours to fully develop, so you need to plan ahead. That's a wrap. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest reviews and smart product picks every week. Got a favorite self-tanners? Drop it in the comments. I'd love to hear what you're writing with.
Like, comment and share our video. Do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get more videos like this in future. Thanks for watching.